Unable to install Scarlet. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is check your internet connection. So make sure that you have stable internet connection, for which you can just directly go to settings application and then tap on your Wi-Fi. Now make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. Now if you cannot switch to your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, you can just scroll down and tap on the airplane mode for a few seconds and then toggle off the airplane mode. Now this might also fix a lot of issue for you. Next, tap on the settings application on a device and tap on about phone and check if you have the latest version of the software and device updates in your device over here. So check for updates, and as it says, there are no updates available, which means you have the latest version. After that, what you can simply do is go back and tap on about phone again and tap on storage. Make sure that you have enough storage to download or install the application on your device. Next, what you can do is make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might as well fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.